In today's digital age, online marketing has become an essential tool for businesses to thrive and achieve explosive growth. With the ever-evolving landscape of technology and consumer behavior, it is crucial for companies to stay ahead of the curve and adapt their marketing strategies accordingly. In this article, we will unveil 7 proven online marketing strategies that will help you achieve explosive growth in 2024. Embrace personalization. The power of tailored experiences. Personalization is no longer a luxury but a necessity in online marketing. Consumers are bombarded with countless advertisements every day, making it crucial to stand out from the crowd. By tailoring your messaging and content specifically to each individual customer, you can create a more engaging and impactful experience. Utilize data analytics to understand your customers' preferences and behaviors, allowing you to deliver personalized offers that resonate with them on a deeper level. Leverage influencer marketing. Harnessing social proof. Influencer marketing has gained significant traction over the years as consumers increasingly rely on social proof before making purchasing decisions. Collaborating with influencers who align with your brand values can amplify your reach and credibility among their dedicated followership. Ensure that these partnerships are authentic by selecting influencers whose audience matches your target market demographics. Optimize for voice search. Capturing conversational queries. With voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant becoming commonplace in households worldwide, optimizing your online presence for voice search is vital in 2024. Voice searches tend to be more conversational than traditional text-based queries. Therefore, adapting your SEO strategy accordingly will enable you to capture these valuable leads effectively. Invest in video content. Engaging visual storytelling. Video content continues its upward trajectory as one of the most effective forms of communication online today, capturing attention spans while conveying information in an engaging and memorable way. Incorporating video into your marketing strategy can help you connect with your audience on a deeper level, increase brand awareness, and drive conversions. Harness the power of artificial intelligence. Automate and optimize. Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized online marketing by automating repetitive tasks, enhancing customer experiences, and optimizing campaigns. Utilize AI-powered tools to streamline processes such as email marketing automation, chatbots for customer support, and predictive analytics to optimize your advertising spend. Embrace social commerce. Seamless shopping experiences. Social media platforms have evolved beyond just being channels for engagement. They now offer seamless shopping experiences known as social commerce. By integrating e-commerce functionalities directly into social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook, businesses can reduce friction in the purchasing process and capitalize on impulse buying behaviors. Prioritize customer retention. The power of loyalty programs. While acquiring new customers is important for growth, it is equally essential to focus on retaining existing ones. Implementing loyalty programs that reward repeat purchases or referrals can significantly boost customer retention rates while fostering brand advocacy among satisfied customers. In conclusion, the secret formula for explosive growth in 2024 lies in implementing these 7 proven online marketing strategies: embracing personalization, leveraging influencer marketing, optimizing for voice search, investing in video content creation, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, embracing social commerce, and prioritizing customer retention through loyalty programs. By staying ahead of industry trends and adapting our strategies accordingly, we can position ourselves at the forefront of digital marketing excellence. Remember that success lies not only in understanding what needs to be done but also taking action promptly. So don't wait any longer. Start implementing these strategies today. Your business's explosive growth awaits.